Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a great start to your week. So today we are going to, well, a little bit of a backstory. So I ordered a fidget toy assortment of, it's like just a mystery box of toys, fidget toys, and I got it. This is apparently the biggest one. I have no idea. I have already opened it, but I don't know what all is in it. The only thing I do is take everything out of the packages so that it would be easier for us to go through. But we're going to dive into this little box and go through it together. So, let's begin. Okay. Right off the bat, the first thing I'm seeing is this adorable little pop-it little purse thing. Has a little band that you can attach. Let's see if we can get this attached. There's one side. Okay, you can't tell me that's not adorable. It's a little purse, like a little side purse. That's cute. Okay, next. There are a couple of these little things. I'm not sure what they're called, but like, not really my cup of tea, kind of a icky sound. Then we have this little controller thingy. It's got like a little, I don't know if you can see that, like a little button on the side. It kind of spins. It's got this little thing on it. It's got a little joystick type thing that spins, some little buttons. A couple things on the back. This just kind of spins in a circle. We have a little football. Squishy football. These, I've seen a lot of these, they're actually really cool. Basically what you can do is you can like poke the little balls down, and like once you click them down, you can click it and you'll hear them all pop up. It's really cool. Okay, there is a little maze thing. There's like a little ball in there, and like you have to get through the maze. I think, plus there's a little ball in there. The ball. It's not something I can hit rattle with. Anyway, this thing, whatever it's supposed to be. Yeah, I don't know what that is. Anyway. Okay, we have multiple different poppets. We have a fish, a dinosaur, a penguin, and a unicorn. This one is my favorite one. We have a little basketball thing. You can flip that and make hoops. We have another one of these little bendy things that I still don't know the name for, or what you're supposed to do with them. Let me down in the comments. We have, looks like a couple of these little bracelets here. I think they're bracelets. You like little poppets and like you snap them around. I think it's a bracelet, maybe. Yeah, okay, so yeah, it's a bracelet. You just kind of snap it through a little hole and then you have a bracelet. Okay, that's pretty cool. A little poppet bracelet. There's two of those. A little dinosaur thingy. We have what appears to be a couple of these little slap hand things, which is really cool because I had some of these whenever I was a little kid. They're sticking together a lot, though. Oh my gosh. That one's kind of stuck together, but we have a couple other ones right here. one right here. I always forget how sticky they are. But there you go. It's a little slap in. And there's 3 of them. The other 2 are kind of bunched together, but they come with 3. There's a whole bunch of these little snake type things. I don't know what they're for. Here's another one. Not sure what they're doing with these. I think these are the little things that, like, you take them and, like, you just kind of hold them like this and flick them. I'm not real sure, but there's 5 of those. Unless there's more in there, there's 5. So far, I've only came across 5, but these are the colors. We have this little keychain heart. Then we have a whole bunch of these little rings. There's like some little pocket rings in here. There's a lot of them. I think I got all the rings, but there is a whole bunch of rings that came with them. They're all little poppet rings. Like this one's a butterfly. And we have 2 hearts. We have a dinosaur. Another dinosaur. Another dinosaur. That's 3. We have a little, I believe a spaceship. And guess what the last one is? Another dinosaur. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 rings in total. It's a lot of poppet rings. Okay, next thing is this little thing. I don't know the name of it, but this is literally, I have one of these already actually, back there in my room. But I don't feel like digging it out. It's like, I have a whole drawer full of fidget stuff and it's buried in there. But this is one of my favorite things to play with. It is just so relaxing to me. And yeah, I love these. Oh, I found another one of those little tube things. It's an orange one this time. There's also a lot of these little things. There's 4 of them. There's a red one, a pink one, a blue one, and an orange one. I'm not sure what they are for, but I will tell you they are not those little Chinese finger trap things, because there's like a little, I don't know if you can see that well, but there's like a little marble in there, and like, just, there's no way of getting it out either, because like the ends are like sewn shut, so like, I guess you just push it back and forth, which kind of seems kind of boring in a way. I don't know. That's just it. We have a little mini Rubik's Cube. You can already tell it's off brand. That's hard to twist, but it is a Rubik's Cube. We have some sleeves. We have this one. Got a little smiley face. I think they all have smiley faces. There's this one with a smiley face. There is this one with a smiley face. And yeah, they all have smiley faces. And then this one with a smiley face. So, and there's 4 of those. 4 of them. Then we have all kinds of these little like men. Little like sticky man things. It's like little emojis. They have different emoji faces. Like this one is like just a regular smiling one. This one is the one with the winky face and tongue sticking out. This one is the heart eyes. Excuse me, by the way. This one is the kissy face. This one is tongue sticking out. I don't know what the eyes are doing, but yeah. And this one is just another kissy face, but I don't know what happened to the color because it is like not yellow anymore. But anywho. Then there is a whole bunch of these little like sticky ball things. They will be getting thrown away because they get stuck in hair too easily and I will not be keeping them. I don't know, I might keep them. Pretty satisfying when you squish them together like that, but there's also a whole bunch of these little, I don't know if they are meant to be keychains. Oh, I found out a stocking. Or what they're supposed to be. But there's a whole bunch of them in here. There are, see, 5 of them. And it's just these little things. I think you're meant to like be able to make it into like necklaces or something, but it's just little poppet things. These two are the same color. But yeah, there's those. There is this little thing. It is a fidget, I think it's a fidget spinner. But like these arms, look at this. You can like bend them either way you want, or you can have them straight out. It is so weird. Like, so weird. Anyway, there's a whole bunch of these little like chip things. It's like a whole bunch of them. We have some dinosaur squishies. A pink one. A green one. Purple. And then 2 yellow. Okay, we have this little thing. I'm not real sure what it is or anything, but there's that. And then we have, let's see, I think 4 of these little guys. Oh, here's another one of those little heart keychain things, but this one is just like a little spear, like a little ball. It's pretty cool. Then there is 4 of these little guys. It's like these little things. I'm like, you can stand them up and like they don't fall. But anyway, this one is a snowman. We have a pink penguin. We have a black penguin. And we have a little astronaut. This black penguin reminds me of that penguin from Madagascar. But we have a whole bunch more of the little disc things. So many more of them. This is another little keychain thing that I believe got broken. Okay, we have this little pea thingy. It's like a little keychain thing, and they pop out. And one side, oh, it's double-sided. Okay, that's cool. Look, so that side is what a happy face looks like. Yeah, and then no, that's how I just showed you the sad face. This is the happy face side. Okay, I don't know if you can see that or not. It's kind of blurry. But anywho, with that. Okay, so yeah, these little things that I had shown you a while ago, they are supposed to be little bracelet or keychain things. So here's some little chains for them. And then the last thing is just 3 little mini fidget spinners. So there is this little purple one, this little orange one, and this little green one. Okay, that is all of our fidgets from our fidget box. So, let me know in the comments below which one was your favorite, or if you've ever played with any of these or seen any of these. I think my favorite one would have to be this. This one, or honestly, maybe these little squishy balls, because they've kind of grown on me. These little guys, they've kind of grown on me. It's kind of relaxing. Oh, I forgot to show you guys these things. I don't know what these things are supposed to be, but they are painful when you put them on. Like, the wire just hurts, and I don't know what it's for. I don't know if it's just meant to keep you up or what, but it's weird. But anywho, thank you for coming on this journey. Like, I got my fidget toys with me. Let me know in the comments what you would want to see next. If you want to see more mystery box unveilings, or even advent calendars. Halloween's coming up, so I could get a Halloween advent calendar. Let me know what you want to see. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.